See now, the next discussion. The cell has two important properties are there. The first one is electromotive force. Electromotive force. It is nothing but say the EMF in called as the shortcut form. Next one is their internal resistance. Internal resistance. Now the individual we can discussing about of these two topics. The first one is there the electromotive force and second one is there the internal resistance. Now the first we discussing about the EMF of a cell. EMF of a cell. EMF is nothing but electromotive force of a cell. Now it is a device. It is a device. It is maintain the study of current. It is maintain the study of current in a electric circuit. In a electric circuit. That means the constant current is maintained in a electric circuit. Electric circuit. The basically it has the two electrodes. Two electrodes is nothing but one is the positive terminal, another one is the negative terminal. Now this electrode is dipped. These two electrodes are dipped into a solution. Now this is considered the bath. Now here is considered by the solution. This is the chemical solution. We say that this is the chemical solution. Now here the dipped into the two electrodes. See this is the two electrodes is dipped by there. One is say the positive terminal is denoted by the P. Another one is say the negative terminal is say the N. See this is the N. It is nothing but negative terminal. Now here the positive and negative terminal is electrodes is dipped into a soap solution. Now here the charges. Now we are given to the external, the force or external charge or external force is given. Force is nothing but the pushing to this one. Now this the charges is starting from a positive terminal. Now where we can start by this? This can be started at the positive terminal and the moving this is the direction. And here take the load resistance or say the resistance. This is when here coming by the charges. Now here the some amount of work done by there. Some amount of the work done by there. And after that it can be passing and the reach the negative terminal. And reach the negative terminal. Now see this is how much of the current is there. The I current can be passing. Now here some external work done and the move to the negative terminal. And after that the inside of the soap solution again there the charges are moving the negative terminal to positive terminal. Now this is called as the one circle or also say the circuit. What is this? Circuit. Now there is the EMF of a cell. See there is a EMF of a cell is defined as the work done in carrying. Here say the work done due to one this external resistance. The work done in carrying a unit positive charge. What is the passing by the unit positive charge through the complete circuit insulate including the charge flow of inside the cell. That is called as the EMF. Now here the electromotive, the motive force. Force is nothing but external force is not there. Here the force nothing but is the charge. The force is nothing but to the charge. Now can write here the statement. The EMF. The EMF. EMF is nothing but to say the electromotive force of a cell. Of a cell. See this cell is nothing but to, it has a two electrode positive and negative terminal. Is defined as the work done. The work done. See where is the work done by there? See here the due to resistance here some work is done by there. That's external is a work is done by there. In carrying a unit positive charge. Unit positive charge. So what is the carrying by there? The which is the carrying by there? The solution is given to the positive terminal. Now where the when we have the externally some force applied by there, that is the charge is the carrying by there due to all this resistance and here some external is a work is done. Now the charge through the complete through the complete see the through the complete circuit including complete charge including the charge flow inside, including the charge flow inside is nothing but this is the inside can be flowing by there the cell, inside the cell. It is the definition of a EMF. So what is it? The EMF is a cell. EMF is a cell. Cell is nothing but battery. That is how many terminals are there? Two, positive and negative. The amount of work done. See here the work done. Carrying the what is the carrying by the charge is carrying. There's a unit positive charge through a complete circuit. Including the flow of charge inside the cell. Inside the cell is called as the EMF. Now this EMF, the property of source. EMF. See this is the one of the important is there. EMF property of source. Source is nothing but what is the cell. The EMF property of source of electric energy. See this is the what is it? This is actually the chemical energy. Now convert into the electrical because of the positive and negative terminal is nothing but what is it? The electrical energy. When it's a passing of the charges positive terminal to negative terminal. That is the now it's a property of the source of a electric energy. The next we discussing the topic is internal resistance. Again, we are considering by a soap solution. What is considered soap solution? So nothing but is a chemical solution. Now in chemical solution, what is taken by the two metals are taken by the one is the zinc, another is the copper. Now the copper is connected to the positive terminal and zinc is connected to the negative terminal. Now electrons is the flowing the zinc to copper. What is the direction there? The electrons can be moving the flows the zinc to copper, but the current can be passing. Through in a copper to zinc. Now here some external is work done and is moving. This is the direction for the current. And here when the reaches the zinc plate and it is inner. This is the inner is passing through the zinc plate to copper plate. But we can observe in here, is there in a chemical solution? It is not easy to flow inside of this solution. It is some difficult. It is some difficult to the flow of a current. That is the some offered. Offered means opposed. And ఈజీగా ఇక్కడ ఎట్లయితే ఫ్లో అవుతుందో అంత ఈజీగా లోపల ఫ్లో కాదు నాన్న బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఈజ్ దేర్ ఇన్ ఏ కెమికల్ సొల్యూషన్లో ఉంది కాబట్టి నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆఫర్డ్ అంటే కొద్దిగా మనకు ఫ్లోను మనకి ఏం చేస్తుంది నిరోధిస్తుంది అన్నట్టు. నౌ దిస్ ఆఫర్డ్ బై ద ఎలక్ట్రోడ్స్ ద పాజిటివ్ అండ్ నెగటివ్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ as the internal resistance. What is called as the offered by between the cathode and anode is called as the internal resistance. The internal resistance, the internal resistance, the internal resistance of a cell is the resistance of the resistance of the electrolyte electro electrolyte electrolyte between electrolyte between between the anode between the anode and cathode between the anode and cathode. See, this is called as the internal resistance. Anode is nothing but a positive terminal, cathode is nothing but a negative terminal. Or another definition also is there. Here, another definition for the internal resistance. The resistance offered, the resistance offered by the resistance offered by electrolyte the resistance offered by electrolyte between cathode and anode is called internal resistance. It is denoted by the small r, and also say that it is the battery of EMF inside will be there. That is called also internal resistance.